Okay, so let's start with the first question. Secondary sex organ is option A testis, option B ovary, option C beard, and option D vas deferens. As you can see, I have already marked the answer, which is vas deferens. Why not beard? Because beard is a secondary sexual trait. Okay. And what are primary sex organs? Those organs which produces the gametes are called primary sex organ, and secondary one are those which provides the passage for these gametes. Okay, so it's a quite easy one. Moving to our next question. Question number 2. Temperature of scrotum as compared to abdominal cavity is less by 1 degree Celsius, 3 degree Celsius, 5 or 10. You can pause the video. Okay, so the answer is 3 degrees Celsius. As you know that the male required less temperature for the spermatogenesis. Okay, now moving to our next question, which says sustentacular cells are found in option A testis of mammal, option B ovary of mammal, option C testis of ascaris, and option D kidney of reptiles. So here the answer is testis of mammals. Okay, sustentacular cells are also known as Sertoli cells, or nurse cells, okay, which provide nourishment to the sperms, okay, in seminiferous tubules. Okay, so our next question is sugar fructose is present in secretion of. So the options are seminal vesicle, perineal gland, Cooper's gland, and last option Bartholin's gland. So the correct answer is option A, which is seminal vesicle. Okay, it contributes about 60 to 70% of the semen. Okay. And Bartholin gland is present in females and has the same function as the Cooper's gland in males. Okay. Cooper's gland secretes a transparent jelly-like substance which helps in the lubrication of penis. Sugar fructose act as a fuel to sperms and are utilized by the mitochondria present in the middle piece. Okay, so moving to our next question, question 5, which says unpaired gland in male reproductive system of human is. So the options are option A Bartholin gland, option B seminal vesicle, option C prostate gland, and option D Cooper's gland. So the correct option is C prostate gland. Okay, you can see this clearly in the diagram of the male reproductive system. Okay, so moving to our next question, question number 6. After vasectomy, option A, what happens actually? So option A, semen formation halts, which means semen formation stops. Option B, inactivation of sperm occurs. Option C, immediate disappearance of sperm in semen. And option D, gradual disappearance of sperm in semen. So the correct option is gradual disappearance of sperm in semen. Moving to our next question, which says at which junction seminal vesicle is present. So the options are option A prostate and urethra, Option B, prostate and vas deferens. Option C, prostate and corpus gland. And option D, bulbourethral gland and urethra. So the correct option is option B, which is prostate and vas deferens. If you look at the diagram of male reproductive system, you can easily find the position of seminal vesicle. Okay, so it is very important to learn these diagrams for solving such type of questions. Next question says, mesothelium is peritoneal covering of. So the options are liver, kidney, ovary and testes. So it's a quite easy question. The answer is C, ovaries. Okay. Now moving to our next one. Question number 9. Atresia refers to. Option A, ejaculation of ova from tertiary follicle. Option B, breakdown of endometrium. Option C, degenerative process of follicle, egg and ovary. And option D, death of sperm. So the correct option is option C, degenerative process of follicle, egg and ovary. Okay. This process of atresia occurs throughout the woman's life, as she is born with millions of follicles, and in her lifetime she only ovulate around 400 to 450 follicles. Okay, so moving to our next question. Question number 10. Longest phase of spermatogenesis is. Option A, multiplication phase. Option B, growth phase. Option C, maturation phase. And option D, germinal phase. So the correct option is option C, which is the maturation phase. Okay. Again, it's a quite easy one. Now moving to our next question. The part of sperm enters egg in human is. Option A, head. Option B, head plus acrosome. Option C, complete sperm. And option D, head and middle piece. So the right answer is option C, which is the complete sperm. Okay. Actually, there is a phagocytosis of sperm by the secondary oocyte or egg. Question 12 says, vitamin essential for gametogenesis is. Options are vitamin C and D, vitamin A and E, vitamin B12 and vitamin K and vitamin E. So the correct option is vitamin A and E, which is your B option. Okay, vitamin E is essential for gametogenesis and its deficiency will lead to sterility, and vitamin A is required for the formation of healthy gametes. Okay, same thing. Question number 13 says, in case of non-fertilization, corpus luteum. Okay, then options are option A, produces progesterone hormone. Option B, releases relaxin. Option C, changes to corpus albicans. And option D, none of the above. So the correct option is option C, changes to corpus albicans. And these are 13 questions you might have missed in human reproduction. Hope this video helps you a bit. This is the part 1. We'll meet again in part 2 with some more good questions on human reproduction.